Management of business. Business management. Management encompasses several definitions, including 1. Management is the central authority responsible for leadership, direction, and decision-making within a business enterprise. 2. Management is the process of preparing, directing, planning, and organizing people and resources to achieve business objectives. Duties of a manager. The responsibilities of a manager include 1. Acting as the head of a department. 2. Planning and executing work within their department. 3. Recruitment and training of employees. 4. Delegating tasks to subordinates. 5. Representing and conducting business negotiations with external parties on behalf of the firm. 6. Maintaining harmonious relationships between their department and other departments. 7. Supervising, counseling, and disciplining subordinate staff. Functions and importance of management. The functions of management and their significance are as follows. 1. Planning. Establishing objectives for the organization and determining the most effective methods to achieve them. 2. Organizing. Arranging resources to align with the organization's objectives. 3. Directing. Assisting employees in effectively performing their duties through leadership and motivation. 4. Controlling. Ensuring that the organization's objectives are being achieved and making corrections as necessary. This involves monitoring and evaluating activities to track the organization's progress. 5. Communication. Transmitting essential information within and outside the organization through written or verbal means. Business and its environment. Business environment refers to the various factors, activities, agencies, and organizations within and outside a business that either facilitate or hinder the achievement of business objectives. The business environment encompasses the following elements. 1. Economic environment. Includes the economic system, income levels, income distribution, and the availability of human and natural resources. 2. Political environment. Involves the political system, government policies, and the stability of the political process. 3. Legal environment. Encompasses the legislations and rules operating within a country. 4. Demographic environment. Refers to the size, structure, age, sex, and geographical distribution of the population. 5. Socio-cultural environment. Includes the culture, customs, religion, and way of life of the people. 6. Technological environment. This relates to the level of technology, which determines the volume and quality of production. 7. Infrastructural environment. Pertains to the availability of social and economic amenities such as roads, water, electricity, telecommunication, and ports. 8. International environment. Involves import and export regulations, policies of foreign trading partners, and international trade protocols such as AGOA, African Growth and Opportunities Act of the USA. Summary. 1. Business environment. The term business environment refers to the factors, activities, agencies, and organizations within and outside a business setup that either facilitate or hinder the achievement of business objectives. 2. Demographic environment. The demographic environment of a business organization refers to the size, structure, age, sex, and geographical distribution of the population. It affects business activities by influencing consumer preferences, labor supply, market demand, and target market selection, among other factors. Understanding the demographic environment helps businesses tailor their strategies, products, and services to meet the specific needs and preferences of their target audience.